We made a peanut Thai noodle salad with some Pad Thai noodles. I mean, you can use a lot of different noodles, but I love this brand that holds up really well. It's a quick blanch, like, check them out. They're a great brand. And in the bowl, we are gonna add in a half a red onion that we thinly sliced, 2 scallions thinly sliced, and 1 whole cucumber seeded and peeled. Then you're gonna add in that beautiful, delicious dressing. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of sesame seeds right now, and then we'll garnish with them at the end as well. Get this tossing. So you're gonna get this all incorporated, kind of loosen the tongs, kind of help pull for your noodles, and start tossing it so that it opens up and gets a little bit of onion and cucumber and that beautiful sauce on everything. And you know I'm a wimp. I don't like it too spicy, but this has a nice kick. If you want it extra spicy, add a little sriracha.